Students, in our maths chapter, area and its boundary. In our next question number E, how many tiles like the triangle given here will fit in the white design. यहाँ पर जो ट्रायंगुलर टाइप के टाइल्स दिए हैं वो इस वाइट डिज़ाइन में कितने फिट हो सकते हैं ये हमें बताना है. द ट्रायंगल इज हाफ ऑफ द सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. द बट सेज दैट दिस ट्रायंगल हैविंग द एरिया ऑफ हाफ सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. लेट्स कैलकुलेट हाउ मेनी tiles are needed to make this type of design. Here we can say that 1, 2, 3 and 4 tiles are fitted along its corner, and in middle there are 2 tiles are means there are total 6 tiles are needed to make such a wide design. Now let's find out the area of this triangle. We know that area of one triangular tile is half square centimeter, means for such 6 tiles means the area of this design will be half multiply 6 equal 3 square centimeter, means area of this design will be 3 square centimeter. You can write your answer as like this. Students, let's revise some examples like this. Look at this rectangle. This rectangle having length is 6 centimeter and its width is 4 centimeter. Let's find out its area. What is formula of area of rectangle? Area of rectangle equal L into B, means length multiply width. Let's find out this answer. Let's multiply length 6 centimeter into its width is 4 centimeter. And our answer will be 6 multiply 4 equal 24 square centimeter, means area of this rectangle is 24 square centimeter. Now student, let's find out perimeter of this rectangle. What is by perimeter? Perimeter means sum of lengths of all its boundary. Now we know that its length is 6 centimeter. Another length also has 6 centimeter. Its width is 4 centimeter. Another width is also of length of having 4 centimeter. Means while calculating its perimeter, we have to adding all these boundaries. Means 6 means length is 2 times. Length is 2 times and its width is also of 2 times. Means to find out the perimeter of the rectangle, 2 times length plus 2 times is width. Means the perimeter of rectangle will be 2 times length plus width. Let's calculate this perimeter of the given rectangle. Now 2 times length is 6 centimeter and 2 times means width is 4 centimeter, means equal to in bracket 10 centimeter, means its answer will be 20 centimeter. Means perimeter of the given triangle is 20 centimeter. Students, let's take another figure. Is square. Square is an quadrilateral having equal sides and all angles are right angle. तो नेक्स्ट फिगर हमें देखनी है वो है स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर की चारों साइड्स होती है इक्वल और उसके चारों एंगल्स होते हैं राइट एंगल. तो फाइंड आउट करते हैं स्क्वायर का एरिया. उसकी चारों साइड हमें दिख रही है इक्वल और उसका एरिया होगा मीन्स उसकी लेंथ और विड्थ दोनों हो गए इक्वल, तो उसके एरिया होगा मीन्स एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर विल बी साइड मल्टीप्लाई साइड, मीन्स इसकी लेंथ और विड्थ दोनों इक्वल है इसलिए इसे हमने साइड का मीन्स एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर विल बी साइड मल्टीप्लाई साइड. Let's suppose that side of the square is 5 centimeter, means area of the square will be 5 centimeter multiply 5 centimeter equal to 25 square centimeter, means area of the given square is 25 square centimeter. Now let's find out its perimeter. We know that what is meant by perimeter. Perimeter means sum of lengths of all its boundaries. Now we know that all boundaries means all side having the same length. And what's the side of the square? The length of side of the square is 5 centimeter, means 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, means 4 times 5 centimeters, because of all its sides having equal length. Means we can say that the perimeter of the square will be 4 times its side, means 4 multiply side equal 4 multiply 5 equal 4 into 5 equal to 20 centimeter. Means we can say that perimeter of this given square is 20 centimeter. Now revise two examples very clearly and we have to attain another examples. Students, here are many worksheets having area of rectangle and perimeter of rectangle. You have to answer all these worksheets. You have to solve all these worksheets in your regular notebook. Complete this worksheet and send on my WhatsApp number. Thank you very much all students.